Welcome to Event Interaction, one of the best audience response systems for your conference or meeting. We make your event come alive, allowing you to engage with your delegates and acquire immediate comments and feedback, ensuring everyone can have their say. So why use our audience response units? Like a laptop, they have a full QWERTY keyboard, a large touchscreen where you can use the supplied stylus. The units are all wireless, no trailing cables, and unlike the iPad, they are compact and easy to use with an easy on power button. The units are usually set to anonymous mode to get the best feedback, but they can be set to assigned individuals. Most importantly, delegates can comment or ask questions anytime, great during key speaker presentations. Our audience response system offers more than a voting keypad, and you can ask questions in a variety of formats. Here is a live conference on social media and business that used our event interaction system.
Time to time, our speakers will ask you questions. Okay? So, Andrew's going to put some questions up on your screen. What you have to do is prod, this is his word, the question button on the screen, is that right? Some answers will come up, and then you choose your option. How important do you feel Facebook is to your business and your marketing strategy? How important do you think LinkedIn is to your business? And C, fairly important, B, very important, and A, extremely important. Very interesting in the discussions to see why people have different views, and that's very relevant, I think, to what we'll be talking about.
We've had hundreds of happy customers, many of them FTSE 100 clients, as well as smaller businesses and government bodies have used our audience response system. We're offering new clients the chance to try out Event Interaction with this special offer. Book our system and get 2 units for the price of 1. Email us now on demo@eventinteraction.com to set up a free demo and make a difference at your next conference.